Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to continue our vertebrate class. We talked about mammals, fishes, amphibians, and today we are going to talk about birds, because birds also has backbones. That's why they are vertebrate too, okay? What do we know about birds? We know they have wings, right? Most of them can fly. I know 2 examples of birds that can't fly. Do you know which are them? The penguin. Yes, the penguin is a bird and can't fly. What other? The ostrich. Do you know what ostrich? This? They think it's because he's so fat, so huge, so enormous to fly. So the ostrich. And also the penguin, they don't fly. They can't do that, okay? But they are birds. They have wings, okay? Birds can be so different. Let's see some kind of birds. The parakeet, parrot, eagle. The eagle is so fast. The dove, the swan. So beautiful, right? And what we know too, we know that they lay eggs. Look at this nest. There are 3 eggs here, so 3 birds are going to born. Okay? I sent to you, attached there, 2 more videos about birds. I need you to watch, okay, to learn a little bit more about birds and then do that activity that we did of the other vertebrates too. Don't forget your name and date. The title will be birds. Then you will write on your notebook, okay? ELA notebook. Birds are warm-blooded. They have wings and most can fly. My favorite bird is the dee-dee-dee. And then you do a beautiful drawing. Great? See you. Bye-bye.